Welcome to Miami. We are going cruising again, and this time we are going on Icon of the Seas. How exciting! We arrived at Miami the day before the cruise, and we're staying at Hilton Miami Downtown. If you're considering this hotel for your pre-cruise stay, then you're in the right place. Join me as I explore its facilities and share my thoughts on this bustling hotel. Coming up next. Hi fellow travelers, this is Ken here from Ken Travels 360. If you're new to this channel, I share useful tips I've discovered during my travels, along with honest reviews of flights, hotels, and cruises. Last year, we stayed at the Intercontinental Miami before our cruise on Symphony of the Seas, and it was nothing short of fantastic with our Ocean View Club room. This time, we've decided to go check out their competition, and we've secured a reservation at the Hilton Miami Downtown. Hotel rates have gone up significantly in the last 2 years, but we were pleasantly surprised to snag a room here for under $300. We shall see if we have nabbed a real bargain or not. Right, let's start with the location of the hotel. Situated at the northern edge of downtown Miami, Hilton Miami Downtown is perfectly located for cruises going to Port Miami, as it's just 5 minutes drive away. In fact, you can see it right there. South Beach is also within easy reach, just 10 minutes away by taxi. Just like the Intercontinental Hotel, our hotel is right by a Metro Mover station. In the case of Hilton, it's the Adrian Arch Center station. In case you don't know, the Metro Mover is free, and in fact, by using a combination of Metro Rail and Metro Mover, you can get here from the airport for just $2.25. If you want to know how to do this in details, check out the video link above. Right, the Hilton occupies a large tower building here, and it has a stylish and contemporary look. The hotel was originally built in the 1970s, but in 2017 it underwent a $25 million renovation, and rooms were modernized with new furniture and floors in the lobby. Right, let's go to our room now. We have been upgraded to a base view 2 queens room, so let's check out how the room is like. Here it is. It's our room 1628. Let's head inside. Well, as you can see, the room is quite modern looking with some really stylish elements. Look at these charcoal textured geometric patterns on the walls. Over here, you have a bright red armchair, and there's a very interesting side table. It actually has kind of an alligator skin finish, although actually it's marble. Right, now let's check out the quality of the bed and the mattress. As usual, it's super comfortable, especially this down duvet. I could already lie here all day long. You've got all the creature comforts in this room, including a 48-inch TV screen. And down here, you get a mini bar. Down here, in one of these cabinets, you can find a coffee maker. This is the coffee makers, and you've got coffee bean products here, and tea leaves, tea bags. There is a desk here with plenty of USB charging outlets. Well, as a Hilton Honors Gold member, we got upgraded to a bay view room. We are gonna check out the view very soon. We also got our breakfast comp for tomorrow. And this is not just using the $15 dining credits that you get for being a Hilton Honors Gold member. They actually comped us the breakfast and told us that we can use the dining credits to have dinner tonight in the restaurant. How cool is that? Anyway, let's check out our view. Oh my god, the view here is amazing. Now you can actually see the MSC ship is turning around. We actually get a better view of the cruise terminal here than we did from Intercontinental last year. Check out what we have got here in the wardrobe. It's a little bit stuck. Right, there's a safe. Right, let's go check out the bathroom now. Behind me, you have a single vanity with a big mirror here. I like the marble finish. Over here, you've got a shower and tub combo with a rainfall shower head, and of course, it's equipped with Crabtree and Evelyn toiletries. Before we head outside, if you've been finding this video useful, I would kindly ask you to give this video a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to this channel with notification turned on. I'll be releasing many videos about our cruise on Icon of the Seas, and you don't want to miss out. While there is some daylight, I'm gonna quickly show you some interesting attractions near the hotel. If you take the free Metro Mover one stop to Museum Park Station, you'll find the Frost Museum of Science and Paris Art Museum Miami. Behind me, this is the Paris Art Museum Miami. The best bit about the art museum is actually if you head to the promenade behind the sculpture park, where you can see the cruise terminal up close, and you can see all the ships and their movements. When we were there, we actually saw Norwegian Pearl turning around. After checking out the cruise ships, it's nightfall and it's time to return to the hotel for some well-deserved dinner. When you arrive at the hotel, you first arrive at the motor lobby floor. From here, you take the elevator to go up to the actual hotel lobby. Here they got a destination elevator, so you just call where you're going and you'll be directed to a lift. There's no button to press when you are inside the elevator. Well, this is the lobby. It's a very fancy design. Behind me, this is a 1601 bar. It's a sports bar and it also serves food. But behind me, this is the Bristol restaurant. We just had a look at the menu. It's quite expensive, about $30 for entree. But we've got $30 dining credit to use, so we may as well have dinner here. It's unlikely to be much cheaper outside. So what we have found out there, even though there are two dining menus, you can actually order food from the menu of either restaurants. So it actually depends on where you want to eat. If you want the sports bar with music atmosphere, then you head to 1601. But if you prefer a quieter ambience, then Bristol's is the place. Dinner has arrived. Wow, lovely chicken wings. Thank you. And now I have gambas rice. The food is quite delicious. How's the chicken wings?
It's very good. They've got quite a bite to them.
Well, our last dish has arrived. It's the Korean barbecue pork ribs. After that satisfying dinner, we made our way back to our room, just in time to see MSC Divina departing for Miami Port. Exhausted from our long-haul flight from London earlier in the day, we quickly settled in for a much-needed rest. Good morning, it's embarkation day today. You can see Icon of the Seas there already. I didn't have the best of sleep, even though the bed is super comfortable. The jet lag kicked in immediately, and I woke up multiple times during the night. Anyway, as it's still early, let's head to the gym first before going to breakfast. So behind me, this is the fitness center, which is accessible with your key card and is open 24 hours a day. Let's head in. Well, the fitness center is not really big. However, it's got really good view of outside. You can see the cruise terminal. It got quite a few exercise equipment. You get all the treadmills, cross trainer. There are a few exercise balls here, as well as free weights. You got a cable row machine. You've got bikes and resistance machines. The hotel has an outdoor swimming pool as well. Currently, it's closed for renovation. There's no spa on site, which might be a disappointment to some people. Right, we're heading to breakfast now. We got our breakfast comp with this voucher, so we're gonna go into Brisa's restaurant now. Our comp breakfast is actually the buffet, so we're gonna go out to have a look soon. So let's see what they got here. Lots of pastries and muffins. Wow, they have got empanadas for breakfast. That's quite amazing. Greek yogurt here with lots of berries. Let's see what hot food they've got. Scrambled eggs, bacon, sausages, potato wedges, and waffles with maple syrup. If you prefer something healthier, they've got salad as well. They've got cranberry juice, orange juice, and water. And lots of bagels and bread here as well. Well, before we check out, let me tell you what I thought about our experience at Hilton. Although there is no executive lounge here, we were well treated at this hotel. We got upgraded to a room with great bay view. It's lovely to wake up to see the ship that you will be boarding. Getting our breakfast comp was a nice gesture, and the food served here is pretty good. Overall, this hotel is priced at a lower point than the Intercontinental. However, if you don't have Hilton Honor status, then I think the IC may be a better choice instead. Watch this video next to find out more about the Intercontinental, and then you can decide which hotel you prefer. See you over there. Happy cruising!